Okay, let's try a name WYNDE. Here, this one. Let's go. Hi, sunshine, Mimi. What's the name? We wrap a W. So your name for what? Let me know. Ah, actually, you will get a surprise. WYNDE. Yeah. Okay. Last time I already make your name as your gift. Yeah. Here we are make a WYNDE. Okay, here. Then we make it here. W. Here. This. Here's the W. We're going to fold it. Okay, here W, and then we'll go here. Fold it and bend it to the front. Here we go make the W and tight your plier here, bend it to up. Okay, and then bend it to behind. Okay, Y. Then we're going to fold it. We go to fold it. WYNDE. N is make like this. We're going to fold it to the front. Okay, we are fold it to front and fold it to the back. And bend it down. So this one is the letter WYNDE. Hi, happy everyone. Welcome to my live streaming. And then we go make the D. D, I am going to bend the wire to front also. 好像欠钱了，欠费了。我想起来了。Fold it here. Then we are bend here. Fold. Okay. fold it. Then let's bend it to the back. DE. Okay. Then tight here. And fold it. WYNDE. E. Let's go make the E. Here. Then fold it. Put your plier here. Then bend. Okay. So it's done here. WYNDE. And here we can make a loop. Okay, this top of the loop, this behind there is a loop. Yeah, I'll never be able to find my name. Thank you. So here. So this is your name. I already make a necklace for you in your last order, dear. I think you will receive it soon. Thank you. So this is the name charm. Yeah. Name charm we just finished. And from the side you can see some part is fold here. Okay, so today we learn the W. And we make the WYNDE, the name for heartbeats. Thank you. So you can try practice your name, follow our tutorial. Our tutorial post here